In phrase beats level 2, we're counting the number of beats. And to calculate the number of beats, you want to look at the time signature first and say, how many beats are there in a measure? And if it's compound rhythm, we look at the top number in the time signature, in this case 6. We divide that by 3 to get the number of beats in each measure. So in this case, we have 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So that means there's 2 beats in a measure, which is up to the bar line. We don't even have to bother counting, though you can, but it's always going to be right. So you go, okay, 2 beats there. And really what we're adding is what's after this measure, this bar line. So here we have one more beat, and it's beamed, all these notes are beamed together. And then we have this partial beat here. So here's 2 beats, here's 3 beats. And right now we have a 16th note, another 16th, and another 16th. So 3 16th notes. Now, one way to think about it is 3 8th notes equal a beat. So 3 16th notes, which are half the value of 8th notes, is going to be half a beat. Another way to think about it is 3 8th notes equal 1 beat, or 6 16th notes equal 1 beat. And we only have 3, so 3 is half of 6. So again, this is half of 1 beat. So we have 2 beats, 1 more beat, and then a half. 3.5 beats. So we have 3 space 1 half. We hit submit. If it's correct, we'll see the points go up, and it was. The next problem, we have again 2 beats to the beam, or the bar rather. This is 1 measure, so that's 2 beats. And then we have 1 more beat here, so that's 3. And the 16th note all by itself. And 1 16th note is 1/6 of a beat, because there are 6 16th notes in 1 beat, or 3 8th notes in 1 beat. So the answer is 3 space, and this is the 16th note here, 1/6 of a beat. If we don't know the answer, or we want to learn, you can just hit submit. You will lose points, but it will show you the counts. Now in compound rhythm, we have to remember the counts are not the same as beats. So we will count to 6, but there are not 6 beats. We know there's 2 beats because of how it's beamed, and we always beam by the beat. And that has to do with accents. So when we're in 6/8, we have 2 beats per measure and not 6, because we want to keep in mind that the accent is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 strong accents in a measure of 6/8. So this answer would be 2 beats in the first measure. Here's another beat, and this dotted 8th note is going to be 1/2 of a beat. So we have 3 and 1/2. Again, we hit submit, and points went up.